Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll first make sure your system is ready, update Windows and save any open work. Once done, press Windows key plus I to open settings because that's the fastest route. Then go to personalization, choose lock screen and click screensaver or simply type screensaver into the settings search to jump straight there. This gets you to the control pane where you can pick a style and adjust timing. Make sure you can see the preview area before moving on. Now you'll select and fine-tune the screensaver. Choose an option from the drop-down, photos if you want images, 3D text for custom text, or blank for a simple black screen. Then set the wait time in minutes. Lower values activate sooner, higher values save battery. If you want security, enable on resume, display logon screen so a password is required. Click preview to verify behavior and adjust photos, folder, or 3D text settings until the preview looks right. Finish by clicking apply and OK, then lock your PC with Windows key plus L to test the saver flow. Once tested, make sure power settings don't override the screensaver. Display timeout should be longer than the saver wait time. If the saver still won't run, check for full screen apps or presentations that suppress it, update your graphics driver, and reset the screensaver setting to none then back. If problems persist, restart Windows and reapply the chosen saver to clear glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.